morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's beautiful out. We have a day. We have a day to do. We got the paint at the store to paint this trailer. We just got some black paint to go through, touch it up, make it look all pretty. We're gonna run to the storage unit to reorganize everything in the unit. It needs to be pulled out, reorganized, got the toolboxes. Everything was packed up yesterday. My truck is full of stuff. As you can see, got most of what's left at most of what's left at the room just fully packed up. So we got all this stuff we're actually I'm just gonna head over there. Goals today are to get the 4-wheeler prepped for sale. That's gonna be going on the market pretty soon. And also the sled deck, we're gonna do a little bit of work too. I might have to run to Home Depot at some point to get new plywood for the deck. Yeah, the deck's kind of falling apart on it. A couple of things to do today, and if you aren't subscribed, consider going down, hitting the subscribe button, and leaving a like. Let me know that things are going well on the channel. I'm gonna wear this around today, just because I feel like it. Crocodile Dundee about to put it in drive and take a little rip. Tell you what, nothing feels better. I need like a lip for the dip. Nothing feels better than driving a diesel truck. I can't talk like that. Okay, we're gonna rip the old Duramax. We're gonna pull out in the road. And anybody in the road, we're just gonna run them over because we're driving a diesel truck. Tell you what, you drive a diesel, you just don't care. That's what the D in diesel stands for, is don't care. We just got done taking off all the old stickers on the side. You see it's all clear now, need some glue gun, get some of the sticky off, and then we will take a look at that vinyl that I have sitting in the truck and see if we want to slap that on after. I need to, right now it has, if you can see, the lighting's not that great, but part of the powder coat came off right along the top here. You can see the excess pieces. So we're just gonna take some quick all-in-one gloss paint, spray it up, make it look pretty decent. Then we're gonna try to load it in, hopefully not by myself this time because that was a pain. Get it in the back of the truck, bring it over to the house, power wash it, get all this gunk out, and then see what we can do about taking off the boards, replacing all the screws, going to the hardware store, and getting the boards as well, cutting those to size, and replacing the whole deck would be great. Well, I'm not proud of this, but I am hungry, and I haven't had a Taco Bell in a while. Okay, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get a couple of soft tacos, maybe a hard one. I don't know. Hard taco, soft taco. I'm gonna get one of each, because I'm really hungry. I'm starving. Oh man, I do love me Taco Bell. I do love me Taco Bell. You guys leave a comment down below. Give it a big old thumbs up for the Taco Bell. Let me know if Taco Bell is as good as it sounds. Usually I regret it. You know, once it's in my system, it kind of wipes me clean. Not to get too graphic, but it's like Miralax. It's great. So it tastes great, and you know, it ends usually. I mean, it's a little rough at the end, but it's great. Yeah, it's not bad. All right, let's order some food.
Oh, it's all good. Can I do a bean burrito and also a crunchy taco, regular?
Anything else?
That'll do it.
It's gonna be $3.15.
All right, you got it. Thank you.
$3.15. Just one off from 316.
Steve Austin! Steve Austin! Steve Austin!
Getting pretty close to that 315 mile mark. I'll probably hit it today. Just another 105 miles before we turn over the 315. Woo, this truck has a lot of miles on her. But she's doing fine. She's doing fine. This fuel mileage trip is going to be absolutely terrible. It's already over half and I've only gone 177.
No, I'm good.
I have somebody taking an order and like trying to process my order. It's confusing as heck. I was taking somebody's giving me the eye like I'm talking to you, but he wasn't talking to me. He was talking to the person, like have a different person doing drive-through. It's very confusing. I'm still gonna devour these bean burritos and whatnot. I'm gonna have to. Oh god, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Okay. See how wide I gotta take this corner because it's damn. Look at that truck. Baby girl. Alright, I'm about to food blog you right now. I am. Is it bad to say I'm very excited for this? Because I am. I think you get really excited about Taco Bell, and then once you finish, instant regret. Oh, she's nice and toasty. I'm sorry, I just had to take a minute to eat. One, I'm starving. Two, I haven't had Taco Bell in. I can't even remember the last time I had Taco Bell. It's such a good, bad food. Not that cheap though. Not that cheap. I remember it was $1 a taco going through high school. Now it's almost $2. Inflation. So let's see, this one. So I went and picked up a new plug for the sled deck because it was, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Because it is missing a prong, I believe, so it needed to be, just needed to be rewired. Yeah, that is a mess. That's a mess right there. So just rewire that. We're gonna replace the deck, get all new screws, and I'm not gonna bother painting. We did get, like I said earlier, we did get that all stripped away, and we probably will put that vinyl on just to make it all nice and white. We still have to bring the four-wheeler over this afternoon and try out the new power washer that I picked up. So we'll bring that to the house and get it done. I'm gonna go, I bought a bunch of black spray paint, so all these wheels, I'm gonna have to get some painter's tape because I don't want to just overspray all this area and this, the tire itself. So, oh boy, oh, she went full send. I have to get that out somehow. I am gonna try to soak down the header bolts, pull off the exhaust system, and paint it. I do have some high heat paint there, and that will certainly take the exhaust temps that will be flowing through that. So I'll paint that up nice and black. That will really change the look of this thing. I did pick up some orange too, so we'll be painting the frame. I hope it matches pretty well, but this is just an eyesore the way it's oxidized or whatever the hell. It just took off the stock, so painting that, cleaning that up a bit will certainly help a lot. I'm gonna try, there's a couple of different plastic products out there. I did get all the registration stickers off, and all the other ones, so I'm gonna try and use Tire Shine just for now, just to see what it does as far as cleaning up some of this. Obviously once it's power washed, all this crap will be gone. And oh boy, that cracked. We'll just go through and fix it up the best way we can to sell it and move on to the next project. Just a little update of what I've been doing this morning. I gotta say, it's not too bad. I mean, for a storage unit, you know what I mean? It's I got all my gym stuff, so I can do a workout in the afternoon and whatnot. Got all my engine stuff, a nice big bench, thanks to my dad, and a bunch of tools to do work on. So once we get the Tacoma motor over here, we'll put that on a stand. It is on a stand. I have 3 engine stands, so we'll bring that over, and then we can tinker around, pull that apart, get the pistons, rods out, figure out what the hell we're doing with that truck, because that's another project that I really want to get done, and I'd like to get it done this winter. That would be great going into next season. The 5.3, that's getting all the internal work. I just reached out to him to make sure that he knows I'm still on schedule. I'm gonna pick out a cam, get the right cam, springs, all that stuff, give it to him, pay him, get the motor up here, and just probably wrap it and let it sit over the winter, and that's gonna go in something. I'm not sure yet. The Camaro, I'd like to just cam it for the season, get the LS3 cammed. I know it has higher miles and it's kind of a risk, but I want something fast and fun to play with, and I was tooling with the idea of throwing the 5.3 in, matted to the 6-speed manual and twin turboing that, and having a 5th gen twin turbo 5.3. That was an idea that kind of popped in my head one day. So why don't you guys comment down below? I'd love to hear your opinions on that. I haven't seen a lot of twin turbo 5.3 5th gen Camaros out there, so I'm curious if that would be a cool thing to do. They don't have that unique sound that the LS3 motor has. You know, the 5.3, it sounds like a truck with turbo noises, so I think it would be pretty cool. And the Camaro is already, the rear end, the axle, like everything's strong and like kind of ready to go. Maybe not for like 800 horsepower. I might have to upgrade the fuel system and do some minor stuff. Betty was certainly going to need way too much work to do that, way too much time, way too much money, and getting my own thing going here. I just I know I have more time, but now I need to like do stuff. It's not just go to work, come back, and you know, I got to make a living here and make money. So that's kind of on the back burner. But that's just a little update. I know I haven't uploaded. I know I said this is full-time YouTube, and it will be once I get flow going with the channel. Once this is all organized completely and we get all the vehicles up here, it will be much smoother. I'll be throwing out videos every other day for you guys and keeping the content rolling, good content. So anyways, that's the 411 on the day and the channel as of, I don't even know what day it is, 15th of June, I don't know. So I'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody tuning in and you know, giving me the support I need, hitting the like button. Consider subscribing, watching some other videos. I'm certainly not peer pressuring you into just subscribing right off the bat. Go take a look at the other videos, see if this is even a channel that you might be slightly interested in. Cars, bikes, four-wheelers, anything automotive. That's kind of what we're doing here on the channel, and we're gonna have some fun going to the track this year and drag racing and going up and seeing drag events, and just anything I can really reach out and touch with the car community, car shows. So this is a channel to do it. So see, there we go. I say so like every other word. It's ridiculous. So thanks guys for watching. You guys keep it weird. We'll catch you next time. Adios.